to be an answer of fact to say who Kofia no true negative and you Kofi no say me
now who are that
into Facebook the last
me that say
and please let me beg again please I am not Nana McBrown on Facebook. I am official Nana McBrown.
Amen. How long have you gone without talking to your husband after a fight or a misunderstanding?
Oh, how long? Without talking to him?
Mokoye, no. Be na watch me no bosom me ensa na nkasa Max Honda. And said how long pa na akwa?
How long pa? Be 2 weeks.
Be 2 weeks. Na motemon kasa. Now yes
because let me dib him.
No dib him. Me that say. Which celebrity are you close to most? Ghana ha celebrities you know why now you say what ben pa wow team say where dey uchochom chu.
Celebrity
from all angles.
Telling mega so oyire.
Stacy.
Nsana nete benti ohume mo.
Okay.
Enti sadia. Meka say Father Dixon and Father onye celebrity.
Father Dixon onye celebrity.
Sir.
Debi o say why you.
What did they say why you?
They say Father
because
Father
boss
in particular about why you.
No, also most of the time yeah.
Father Antonio. Ba obo anyom tofo. Father interest in obo omo mu twese.
Say nim no so Ghana so dey say
nim
nim wa.
Father ebo anti Father.
Nim wa.
Anti Father is celeb.
Nto say make us a wife.
Okay. Do you sometimes get scared of divorce considering the unfortunate experiences from your colleagues? Omo ma wari ejai no enu hunhun wo wari mu ana ya na osoro se bia said the omo de kokko ye and bia also de betima yesa.
Oh, I'm human being. Yeah, I get scared. I'm human. I get scared. Like I said, I have Ghanaians at heart and in everything I do in tea. I oh, of course. Baby
magazine onyine adwuma ben na obe person ko obeye.
Oh, magazine there ono apebia mema na ye but osua entertainment ni mu kan wa mepe. Me aboa me. Omu time no so entertainment will grow, especially on your own. You have a YouTube channel and you can rule
independent.
Yeah. Nti otia se hunu mu a mepe. Na emu so person ye doctor, person ye journalist, so person ye caterer. Bibia metumi aboa no. Senyame nkubi nko ade a.
Beboa no manaye. Would you ever strip pose nude in a magazine or a movie for $1 million? I'm a one scanner.
Me Debbie. Strip. Nude. Me shed dross. And I'm shed dross.
Nudity is not nakedness.
Inti uchire mu kaka.
What should be a G-string?
Yeah, tear through. Na say na kan.
Bra and panty. What my cross here? Yeah. One man and I may lose control. Tear there.
Hey. Ubri.
Kinkasu.
This is Angel Drive.
Hey, Debbie. Mukromo na hotel o e ba ko pe.
FK.
Obi fie round bi no.
Anyo obi fie ni hotel no.
Forgive me, but that near a movie opportunity. Near call fie ma. Eko shutu. E kon kransa. Inti no near shuti ko. Hey, come ko mo hospital ke to e na she.
O ya ke to she ya biem.
Mo mai ni e.
Ah, ye nya generator cry kama pa.
What you me time there thinking can go so.
Ampa come ko wo.
Wow. Ama.
Yey.
O she bra any panty nude.
$1 million.
$1 million. Would you pose?
Oh, a bit me possible. Me nipa.
A bit me possible. Scanning who here only
$1 million.
The magazine so.
Remodu.
A bit me possible.
Dinner with President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo or John Dramani Mahama.
Oh, come on.
I'm
now.
I'm not coming anywhere.
Oh. Dinner.
Come on now. And then you made your comment on answer.
Honest, on say, there's nothing wrong choosing any.
Yes.
Dinner. Okay, say me nkodi me kwaji bibi aya dey.
But only obi ko dinner, ya opo obi an nkomo edo.
Enye nkomo no a.
Omo mienu no why na feel say obetim ne natena.
Me pedi otitwi.
Omu yenu nyina ati o.
Omo mienu nyina ati.
Me de sika kokko kra yi kwan mama money nso.
Emu odu pa.
Wane kan.
Ai John Mahama.
Wo ye hwan ya?
Choco burger store.
Coffee pass.
I can only put it on ice for you. Not later one answer.
Sir.
Yeah.
Me no member ice drink.
Me could look at the kakra mountain.
Oh.
Obe answer najo.
Okay.
Okay, yanko yanim. If you could switch bodies with any fellow celebrity for a week, who would it be?
Oh, Yvonne Nelson.
Yvonne Nelson. That just hopefully Yvonne pa. Which MP do you think is doing well? He or she is not from your constituency.
Hey, ukra pen move from who kasa we chi. MP obey
MP by now did this our born home day.
Me, I don't know much about politics.
You don't know much about politics.
Yes, I pay attention on particular events.
Change the question, Rosie. If you could have lunch or dinner date with any MP, who would it be?
Oh, minimum power.
And also change this question, mommy. What is your biggest or weirdest fear? And you now slow power we are seeing. So better.
Me person me nyini enka magazine free 45 for kokra no se me na 80 something. Come 90 and dey nyamba me ano ayeme no. Na se sia de anam suru se mi wejamba no. Ti bomba na mbisa no mo.
Quantenting. Yeah, not what kind of family you know why.
Just give me Bensio, but give me long life.
Thank you, that song.
Because
what is
oh yeah, Benz.
You want Quantenting. Mrs. I want Quantenting.
Now they says we want to catch some to me babet and I who know we're going to who know we're just you. No, I hear.
Adia bako be na obi a opewa semehia wa ya ma wa na ye nwanwa pa. Something wonderful that a fun from nowhere has done for you.
Pepe oh brakofi.
Mepe bako pe ama.
Ma me be na shia me no shira me. Onimida. No, say the person why ma me an. Opema sempa na de anope obom nyame mpa so be hu me ya. No shia me an obom pa ma.
Obom pa ma. Before I wo ya na say after wo.
I think the before me wo.
Okay, beautiful. Sports ben when you hu we are here when you hu ade bia wo hwe bi pa.
Sports.
Me
sports. No me footballer but me jai chedi. But me for long tennis.
You like lawn tennis?
I used to play till me sanu buye.
Okay. Lawn tennis.
But as I mean say I be me no more me brasa some my brother.
If you weren't famous, what would you be up to right now?
I think I would have been a caterer. Or a taxi driver. I wanted an independent job.
Independent job? A taxi driver or a caterer?
Control.
One kasa, uni boss be your best shot, so na bread this time, na pound this time. Tinin na my Brown's kitchen as well.
Caterer or taxi driver.
So won worry na fan obi opewa sempa there weduma oye na ni jo ho no so obe worry wan ka be pen.
Oh sana me worry the opportunity for obi for.
You marry your fan.
A fan?
Yeah.
And say nye preko pese mi shia wa say we ceiling fan so yes stand fan me. No. Ebe din komo. There are some fans that are very interesting.
Oh, you're standing.
Utimishi na semo all kind but obi wa na no honestly a fan.
Yeah, your friend wo bujin. Ono bubu bi gum zano.
So obi person onya na Mama Brown attention na e dey no wonye.
Ooh,
What gets your attention?
my attention.
Yeah.
Unless we meet and we get to have a timer. Yeah, you bet me making you.
You're a busy person. Oh, call her, oh, baha. But the person must do something. Sadly, and nipa ni ya. The way you know, bet to make jai do attention. I'm not nipa. And dear Ben San was nipa ni.
No, you don't have to do it from afar. I have to see you. I can meet you in the next 2 minutes. I want to sit by you. It will depend on you, the human being. It's not about the car you come and park or no, it's you. I like people, some personality of people, and when you fall in there, I'll be like a toy.
For you.
Yeah, like me person me won chen kakra na matiwa na ebi won ma obetumi a capture wadrin through business. Na enkomo no be ma na won say on meji fimfi wa na so me fa bibi anka ho but wo free no chen ko asem bi ni no ma bi a waka no wo you can take it along. And obi was obetumi share na the person is just comically making some jokes be interesting. You see me send per me show be answer na me ne what to no say akwa issue you come be a guy. How would you know? Say we cry afraid will be no I no. It is you share obetumi be wa no akasa obi hu obi nice and obi hu no appearance be on kasaya e be o said you see but okasa pe once akwa we me man chance obeka chiro bia so ni me. When I say 5 minutes with you, I'll know whether I want
the
to
kind
still
of
be.
person that you are.
Yes, you know, it's not. It shouldn't be from afar.
Into them penny for can was say because ya cro can no tuma you bring yansani. Aya en kasa by heart around and ama.
Oh, there be yes,
Oh,
baby, I cry. So be out said you hunipa, yeah. Obi one more can, but obi be kasana. Attitude be hwe nipa na pagya na ni ahwe soro ahwe fom no e ma wa otinche kwa ya watch out
obetu hu for one time
but obi o show wo hwe say we say receive nipa ba ko mienu mienu say oh okay and boss mpacho say ni no ajo so and then you feel like oh no mbu ni pursue no they treat you and but
nice one say when you hwe ya dey na aye
mini hwe say maybe I say
in your spare time, what do you do? And then one co meetings, one koya Mac Brown's kitchen, one koya United Showbiz, one won't trust in it, and then in particular, and ya dear won't wear the Adiama Max.
Debut and Canessa, wouldn't maybe I'm free.
Debut, a question academy because I say so in your leisure time, what do you do for leisure?
Oh, it would depend. Brack of winning. Me nyeni pass me ni regulated time bia because I mean to me control most of my time and na cry bia me nim say na me free no and na no pay you betumi anya company bia obefro say Mr. wonye video kakra bi kura na mpeso be make up
Yeah
e bi kura na mpeso obeko na quick one can we have a meeting oh enti e ba say bi kura na mpesa me swim me anopa no pese o ma boagu. But most of the time, I want to be alone.
You want to be by yourself?
By myself. I want to be alone and seated or somewhere that me revise me.
What is the most important date on your calendar?
My birthday.
Your birthday is important to you, which is?
15th August.
August 15th.
Yes, me rent me if you be
Now October na ya what do you birthday?
Me do me birthday October da. Uko internet so na ubisa me question yo. Nyewa umu na ubisa me. Internet
na ma weska na ma ginidin na ma yesikani wasisi adan ebi enwuma ani bebre o ka mo petra sanda. Ana na ge ja say.
Debi o en science
so we discard the better. But when a man a car now stop your check no fuel asa. Ebiato.
Oh, Brack of India be a check. Sisi ade nyame adom. Enya even say me cry right now as I was coming here. Excuse me. Me the car no obi ejuma ho no de buy. Me too car na hu say empty. Aso. Until I have to find somewhere and buy food. But one thing I'll say maybe no say me to fuel. Na nya sa samba me gina ye too. Ye bu wi na hu say me cry my wallet. The people gave me chance to get home and send mobile money.
Na say o mama wa nkokra na nka.
No, so many
Na mama Brown. Now crying to police show.
Oh yes.
Hey.
Why they will stop you? You have to stop.
But me they be stopping it. Say we hu say o asmacho. E wa Ghana.
And you're regular, but they will set you small. Go like.
I
don't want to say that. Oh, possible. Say me, I'm not above the law.
I know.
But out of love, most of the time, oh, Nana, oh, quite, it's not like me, Chen.
BBS mo watch to pay.
Oh, there be, hey.
Now what to?
I say register too. Anna.
What are your favorite songs from your teenage years? And then in what tea not BB ayo. About now what 13, 14, 15, sa basi 19. And your men are not call square and then in our tea.
Chasamwa.
Or that's it.
Hey, senior.